So over the past 6 months, I made more money sleeping compared to what I made in the entire year of 2022 working. And this is because I started selling digital products online. So as many of you know, digital products could be a wonderful way to make money online. No shipping hassle, instant delivery, unlimited scalability, and much more benefits associated with selling digital products. However, how come some people make over $100,000 per month selling digital products, while others can't even make a single sale? And in this video, I'm gonna share with you my step-by-step system that allowed me to make well over $100,000 selling digital products. I'm also gonna give you 5 different digital product ideas that you can launch today. Look, I'm gonna be blunt with you. It's gonna be 10 times more difficult for you to sell digital products successfully if you don't have an audience. So don't let anyone tell you that you can start this without any followers or audience of some sort. And that is why I created an entire creator bundle to help you build your audience and launch your first digital products. You can grab yourself a completely free copy by clicking the first link in this video description or in the first pinned comment right after you finish watching this video. One of the best ways to start monetizing your audience online via digital products is actually building your paid community. The beauty of this is that you can start off by just launching a free community and giving everyone free access. You can simply host this on Discord or on a Sam Ovens platform called School, which is really great. And paid community is such a great digital product you can sell. It's kind of like combining one-on-one coaching, consulting, and online course into one thing, and also making a flywheel out of it, which, if you don't know what that is essentially a strategy to grow your business on steroids. It's engineering your product or service in a way that every new customer who joins your product or service makes experience for new customers better, which gonna create a flywheel. So let's say you launch your paid community and every new customer who joins the community helps each other out and helps new customers, which is gonna make more and more people wanting to join your paid community. One YouTuber called Hamza actually implemented the strategy really well for his paid community / course. I think it's called Adonis Academy or something like that. The smart thing that he did is he actually records all the calls he has with his community members where he helps them, and he puts those calls for absolutely free on YouTube, which is gonna make more people wanting to join this paid community because they know that once they join, they have access to Hamza. They can talk with Hamza, right? Which then he can help more people and record more of these calls, which is gonna make more people join.
Tell the story that your audience can actually relate to with the pain and the stage that they're in right now. Who are you currently trying to attract? For the guys who have made their school communities, that's the answer right there. It's okay, well, who would you want to join your school community?
And this is a beauty of paid communities as a digital product if you do it the right way. Notion templates. As Notion becoming more and more popular, selling Notion templates has become a really solid way to make money online. There are some people who make over 6 figures per year simply selling Notion templates. And the best part about it is that they don't even need to show their faces and they can have these completely faceless brands. Think as if they would run a standard e-commerce business, right? But this time they just simply sell Notion templates instead of physical products and stuff. The common strategy these guys uses is most of the time they have a lot of free Notion templates to give away to simply drive audience and collect their email addresses. And then they sell their paid templates in the backend. And I know this strategy works very well because I'm selling some Notion templates myself and I'm actually implementing this strategy as well. My numbers are definitely not significant. I'm not really focused on that, but it's still a great income. My second brain Notion template that I've built to this day generated about $1,000. Nothing crazy, I know, but considering the fact I launched it just over a month ago, I think it's pretty good. Video courses. Now, this one is my favorite one. And I think the best combination here is to actually combine your video course with a paid community that I touched on before. That way you can provide maximum amount of value to your customers. I personally think it's not enough to just put people into the video course and that's it. Most video courses actually miss that community element, which is really important if you want to build a successful video course. And that is why a lot of people refer to online courses being a scam, right? Simply because they lack community element. Community is where you're gonna get the most amount of value from the course. Actually competing with other members, seeing other members' success, and seeing real time the results the course gives to the members. If you have a specific knowledge about something, I would highly recommend you building your own course. However, I would not recommend to just go out there and build a course right off the bat. Later down the video, I'm gonna give you a bulletproof strategy to actually launch the course without building it and collect money first, which I believe is the best strategy because you can test the demand for your course first, and it's much more fun to be building a course once you got paid for it. You already know that people are willing to pay, and that way you're going to be building a better product since you feel responsible for the people who already purchased. Ebooks. I actually thought that ebooks is one of the worst digital products you can sell until I found out that my friend sold over $100,000 worth of ebooks in just a few months, and he did it all organically without any paid advertisements whatsoever. And I think that if you're going to be launching an ebook right now as a digital product, it's much better to actually build your ebook just using Notion instead of making that ebook a long PDF file. Using Notion, you can actually make something that looks like this. Actionable steps, so your customer is going to have much better experience. I actually view ebooks as a good way to get people inside your customer list and to upsell them a higher ticket products later on. You can simply put your ebooks for sale just using Gumroad and construct and build your ebook just using Notion the way I showed you. Presets and LUTs. I feel like there's always going to be a demand for these digital products. I personally get 1 to 3 sales consistently every single day just for the one preset that I've built in the past. And over the time, you can definitely build out a cool catalog of presets. And it's an easy sell because usually they do not cost that much, and it's gonna save a ton of time for your customers who want to make their videos and photos look better. All right, so as promised, I'm gonna give you a strategy, kind of like a game plan for you to start your digital product business online. Step 1, start producing content and building an audience. This is going to be your biggest asset if you want to make your digital product business successful. And without an audience, I would probably made $0 till now. And personally think that Instagram is the easiest way to grow an audience. Your reel can go viral overnight and boom, you have an audience base, which now you can expand direct to your YouTube channel, for example, or a newsletter. YouTube is also a good place to build an audience. However, it takes much longer there. That is why I believe it's better to get started on Instagram. I made a ton of videos in the past on how to grow on Instagram, so just check them out on my YouTube channel. So once you start growing on Instagram, I recommend to either launch your free product or simply channel that audience to a free community on Discord. This will allow you to start building your email list and members inside your group, which is going to be your assets that no one can really take away from you. Even if you lose your Instagram page along the way, you're still gonna have those email addresses. I wouldn't try to monetize my audience immediately. Just push all your traffic and audience to your free products or a free community, and then launch your paid product. Don't overdo it and just promote it from time to time to your email list or inside your free community. And that would be my exact plan to get started from zero today. I know some of you will feel lost and think, all right, but how do I actually grow my audience to begin with? Well, in that case, this video is gonna help you out. So click here and watch it right away.